It's the day after Christmas 2025. Officers in Palm Beach County, Florida, respond to a call at a VIP hair salon. The report? Credit card theft in progress. But as soon as officers arrive, things take a turn. The moment the officer spots the suspect outside, she tries to make a run for it. He orders her to stop, but she ignores commands and heads for the back of the building. The officer quickly closes the gap, taking her to the ground to secure her. Listen to how she reacts when the cuffs go on. Despite being caught, the suspect resists, screaming for her mother and claiming she has a medical issue. Officers warn her that she will be tossed if she doesn't stop fighting. After a brief struggle, they manage to get her into the back of the patrol unit. With the suspect detained, it's time to figure out exactly what she was doing inside the salon. Officers speak with the salon employee who explains the bizarre interaction. The suspect allegedly tried to purchase $700 worth of services but refused to show a physical credit card. Instead, she was manually typing in numbers from her phone. The red flags didn't stop there. The employee states the woman had roughly 17 different credit cards stored on her phone. She attempted to run them one by one. While most declined due to suspected fraud, she managed to get 2 small charges to go through. But the jig was up when the actual cardholders started calling the business. The suspect wouldn't even let the employee see the phone screen, insisting on typing the numbers herself, a classic sign of using stolen credit card data. The employee confirms that multiple victims had already called the shop after receiving fraud alerts from their banks. The suspect's attempt to talk her way out of it didn't work. She was ultimately charged with felony credit card fraud and resisting arrest. A post-Christmas spa day that ended in a trip to jail. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Relax, right? Make sure you have nothing on you. Relax. Relax. Stop resisting. Stop.
I don't have anything on me, man.
Ma'am, I need you to relax, alright? Stand fast. Don't move. I need you to put your legs shoulder width apart for me, please. Shoulder width apart. You have anything out here?
Nothing.
Got your camera looking?
Yeah.
What are you doing to me?
Make sure you have no weapons on you, okay?
Stop playing games. There's no scare. You know exactly what you're doing.
What did I do?
Allow the deputy to do his job.
Hey,
No weapons.
I don't have any weapons.
I have no idea.
What in the world is going on?
Have a seat. Have a seat.
What is going on?
Just relax, ma'am.
Being detained.
You're being detained right now.
Why?
For questioning. When I told you to stop, you took flight, okay?
Yeah, but I'm scared because I'm literally, you know why?
Stop.
Relax. Move your feet.
Okay.
So, my question is, you guys were on a call?
They called.
We called, right?
She said she has an appointment next door for her hair. So, as soon as you guys came, she should have walked in there and tell her she would walk over here to let you guys know that she's over there.
Okay.
But her mom or her family paid her transaction.
Okay. So what is this about the credit card?
I don't know. You gotta ask them. Nothing serious, sir?
Just gotta figure out something. Alright, so we got a call here for a fraud. Right? Obviously with the credit cards?
Yes.
Okay.
So she randomly walked in. She wanted to buy $700 worth of services.
Were the credit cards to her? How do you know it was not?
They're in her phone. They're all in her phone. She had like 17 different cards all in her phone, and she
like
wouldn't
a
show me.
mobile wallet?
No.
Or a picture?
She wouldn't show me.
Okay.
Because she's like, you have to manually put them in. And I was like, all right, well, show it to me and I'll put it in. She was like, no, I'll just do it. I'll do it. And she wouldn't let me see her phone or see if they were typed or if it's a picture of the card. So I don't know, but it was all on her phone.
Okay.
And then they kept getting declined. It was like declined, fraud. Declined,
how do you know
fraud.
it's fraud? Just
Declined,
say fraud?
Fraud. Yeah, it kept saying fraud for a bunch of them. 2 went through. And then I had 3 clients call here and say, hey, Bank of America just sent me a message. Someone's trying to use my card at your business. It's not me.
Okay.
So a woman walked in. She said she had her aunt and her mother with her, and she wanted to pay for services.
And how do you identify this woman? What was she wearing?
She was wearing a black t-shirt that said from Medellin on it.
Okay.
And then she had short, blonde, fluffy, wavy hair to her shoulders.
Describe to me how she looked like in terms of, is she black, she's Hispanic,
She's
white?
Hispanic, and she was a little larger.
Okay, all right. Keep going.
I don't remember what pants she was wearing. I just remember the shirt that said Medellin.
Understood. So describe to me what happened as you were saying earlier regarding to the transaction.
So she wanted to purchase $700 worth of services,
Okay.
and so she told me to try to put it all on one card first. It was declined. It said suspected fraud. She gave me another card. It was declined, suspected fraud.
How do you figure it was suspected fraud?
It showed up on my screen. It said it was declined, suspected fraud.
All right.
So, so then she was like, well, let me split two. I'll try to 100 on this card and 300 on a different card. Those ones went through. And then she still owed another 300. So we tried like 7 more cards and all of them were declined and said suspected fraud. And then she went next door to get a pedicure. And I had 3 people call the salon and tell me that Bank of America or whatever bank they were using sent them a message saying someone tried to use their card at this business and it's not them.
Okay.
So
Is there a way we could pull up those transactions that said it was declined fraud?
I looked. I don't know how to pull up like declined ones. That's what I was
Understood.
You can probably get it through the credit card company. No, because I went through the history. These are all ones that went through.
What about the opens?
Opens are those are ones that went through, but those are ones just from today.
Okay. Do you have the phone numbers for the individuals who called you?
No. Which one did that one? I think it was this one.
Did you recall, ma'am? If you were like, say, 14, 15 around there?
How many cards did she use?
Around 15.
About 15.
How many cards was the transaction on your guys' end? How many times did she use the cards? And how many different cards?
I manually put in so many.
Guys, all different names?
I didn't see the names. She has the card numbers in her phone, and she wouldn't let me look at it. So she was typing the card in.
Yeah. Were they actually physical cards or were they
No, they're all
Picture.
on her
all
phone.
on her phone?
Everything's on
It
her
was
phone.
pictures of the card.
I don't know if it was pictures of the card or if she had like the numbers typed in. She wouldn't let me look at it.
17 and figure out.
So yeah, these are
Yeah, it
just.
was like, I don't know if it was
I
scanned
think
or card or
here.
whatever.
I think it's going to be this last one that I just talked to right before I called you.
Okay, so she came in here, she's using her card to scan, you're saying?
No, I had to manually type the cards in because she didn't have any
She
physical
was telling
cards.
you numbers.
Yes, because I said if you have all these in your wallet, you can just tap it. I don't have to manually put them in. And she's like, no. And she's like this. And she's like, let me get this number. Okay. And then she was reading it to me. And then but eventually she was just like, I'll just type it in myself. And I was like, well, if you show me the card, I'll put it in. And she was like, no, it's fine. She wouldn't let me see what she was looking at.
About 14 or 15 different numbers you typed in?
Yes.
Did she type in here herself?
Yes.
And they all came up suspect fraud?
Yeah, except for these two.
Those
Except
two
for
went through?
These 2 went through, so, and I don't know who these people are. So I
Does it
don't know if I
provide
should
name?
refund it, because it's probably not her cards. That's not hers.
This is not her?
No, that's not hers.
And those are hers?
That's a different client. Yeah, these are the only 2 cards that did go through. All the other ones were declined for suspected fraud.